Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NVIDIA Broadcast for noise removal, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your PC meets the system requirements for NVIDIA Broadcast. Next, download the NVIDIA Broadcast application from the official NVIDIA website. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate installation. Accept the terms and conditions presented in the setup wizard. Choose the installation location or leave it as the default. Click the Install button to start the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once it's finished, select Launch NVIDIA Broadcast to open the application. Upon opening, you will be prompted to log in with your NVIDIA account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main interface of NVIDIA Broadcast. Connect your microphone and camera if you haven't done so already. Select the appropriate microphone from the drop-down menu in the audio settings. Enable the noise removal feature to eliminate background noise from your voice. You can adjust the strength of the noise removal effect based on your preference. Next, select your camera in the video settings if you want to use it. Enable features like background blur or virtual background if desired. Once you've configured everything, click the Apply button to save your settings. You are now ready to use NVIDIA Broadcast for noise removal during your streaming or recording sessions. Test your microphone to ensure that background noise is effectively removed. Monitor the audio quality to confirm that the noise removal feature is performing as expected. Enjoy an enhanced audio experience with NVIDIA Broadcast. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.